Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. Today we took a trade on euro against the dollar, what we usually trade basically. And yeah, so we had some news today. We had the Euro summit and we had the refinancing rate and the unemployment claims. The refinancing rate for the euro came out really bullish. And then the unemployment claims also came out bullish, but the unemployment claims did not affect our trade. So yeah, let's get into what we took today. So coming into the day, I started looking around 10 o'clock-ish, I'd say. And yeah, the 4-hourly was bullish. We'll ignore this right now. If it closes on the yellow line, we have changed structure to the downside and we can start looking for shorts. So yeah, in the 4-hourly, we were bullish. On the 1-hourly, based off this, we were bullish as well. So then what I wanted to see would be a 1-hourly sweep. So I'll remove this yellow line because it's a bit confusing. The sweep that I was looking for exactly was this one just here. And as you can see, we swept kind of 3 times, I guess you could say. But I entered based off the initial time, because even though we swept three times, the structure did not change as we did not close under this. But yeah, so the bias was long. I then checked for 1-hour sweeps, and then if we go on to the 5 minutes, I didn't take this trade off the 5 minutes. However, we can explain it on the 5 minutes as well, and then I go to the lower time frames and also explain it there. We had a nice, very, very nice fair value gap just here, which got respected very well. We also had equilibrium from here to here, which I guess got respected sort of. It was a 50-50. Price did come down to a discount quite a lot, but yeah, there was this order block just here. It's getting a bit confusing now. Let me remove some of the things off the chart. But yeah, overall this was a really good trade. It was a news day, so I did break my trading rules, but that was the only trading rule I broke. Other than that, this trade did match all the criteria. But yeah, this was a nice little order block. We'll just label it for you guys. And as you can see, price did tap into here 3 times. So we see it once, twice, 3 times, and then we mooned. This is when news came out, so we did expect a reaction. And I just went with the trend, and as they say, the trend is your friend until it ends. But yeah, to scale into the 1 minute and explain how I got my entry, it would be just here. So I saw it came down to... So obviously going on the 1 minute, we swept. We had this little sweep just here. I know it's kind of like, is that significant? Not really. I'd say it's significant. We had this order block just here, which we tapped into twice. So yeah, we came down and we had a few fair value gaps here that got invalidated. And yeah, we came down to the order block and we went into the order block, broke back out, changed structure, and as soon as we changed structure, I had entered just here. I had quite a wide stop loss for this trade, 9 pips. Normally I try to average it around 5 to 6, but yeah, it was a 9 pip stop loss. However, the risk to reward was really good. I did have risk to reward of 1 to 4. I was only risking $92, so 0.92% I was risking on this trade, which is nothing at all. I was more than comfortable with the risk. I did risk a little bit less because of news, but yeah. And there's not much else to say. The price action was really bad for today. Like, this whole block of price action just here is horrible. It's not something you want to trade realistically. And in hindsight, it was a good trade and it did pay off in the end, but this is not something you want to trade. This is very, very, very wishy-washy. All of this and all of this is very, very wishy-washy. We finally get a solid move down, which, could you have traded? Yes. Do you have high time frame confirmation? Probably not. But yeah, we took profit. We ended up making around $370. I'll put a screenshot up on screen. And yeah, it was quite an easy trade in terms of waiting. As long as it met the criteria, that's what it was about. But yeah, now we have this 4-hour that I'm looking at. So if we close under here, which we've got 8 more minutes, if we close under here, the trend will be down and I will be looking for shorts. But yeah, other than that, there's not much else I can say about the trade. I am happy with it. The only bad thing about it was that I shouldn't have traded because it was a news day and price action did reflect that it was a news day. But yeah, we still made money in the markets, and I did walk away with $370 when I was only risking around $90. The risk to reward was really good for me, hence why I took the trade. And how I found the TP, so I went on the daily, and it was just this high here, and we did also have a fair value gap just here, which we did tap into. But yeah, I did have a feeling we were going to sweep this high, and we did. But yeah, that's how I found my TP. And yeah, there's not much else to say about this trade. I hope you guys found this trade recap useful. And yeah, hopefully your guys' trade went well today, and hopefully tomorrow will be another good day. We don't have any, oh no, we have non-farm employment change, and I won't be trading for tomorrow. So don't expect the videos for tomorrow, but I might make a morning video explaining the bias. But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys trade well and safe and stick to your rules.